Com2 is an internationally recognized recycling leader focused on efficient and safe recycling of your used electronics. Our facilities have functioned successfully across Canada and the United States for the last 20 years. We ensure that precious metals, aluminum, plastic, hard drives, and electronics are recycled responsibly. And since we process all materials in-house, we're often the end-of-life process for most of your items. Our staff are experts at handling all your electronic waste needs, including laptops, TVs, PCs, cell phones, and more. Equipment that has no market value or that has been designated for destruction only by the customer is received into Com2's disassembly areas, where any valuable parts are removed for resale when authorized and remaining parts are segregated for final material recovery. We are 360-degree electronic recycling specialists. We also provide secure data destruction as an IT asset disposition company, and we use Department of Defense data erasure software and hard drive shredders that leave no chance for data survival. This includes brand destruction to avoid replication or use of branding items. You have our guarantee of that, along with a certificate of recycling and assurance that ITAD destruction has been safely, securely, and totally accomplished. One of the ways we seek to be environmentally responsible, cost-effective, and sustainable is by spearheading the movement of recovering and repurposing cathode ray tube, or CRT materials. We are the very first CRT processing plant in North America. We are certified patent holders for CRT recycling, and we've mastered glass-to-frit recycling with 100% automation. We're also certified with R2 and have received several ISO certifications. Join us as recycling partners and turn your obsolete electronic equipment into revenue. For more information, give us a call today.